welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making Koka Sušenky, Czech cocoa coconut cookies. They are so good they will melt in your mouth. Soften your butter and place it in the mixing bowl. Add powdered sugar, egg yolks, and vanilla sugar or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir it gently at first so the powdered sugar doesn't decorate your kitchen. When it's combined, turn your mixer on high and whip it into light creamy butter form. You are looking for a pale fluffy texture, that's the secret to soft cookies later. Scrape the sides of the bowl once or twice to make sure everything's evenly mixed. And when it looks silky and smooth, you're ready for the next step. Add the coconut flakes and mix again until everything's nicely combined. Let it mix for a few seconds so the coconut spreads evenly through the buttery base. When it looks evenly mixed, we are good to move on. Now switch to wire whip for a flat beater. Add the flour and mix it well until the dough starts coming together. It should look smooth and slightly thick. That's exactly what we want before adding the next ingredients. Because my better half loves cinnamon more than cocoa, we decided to split the dough in half. One part for cocoa, the other for the cinnamon. If you rather skip the cinnamon, that's totally fine. Less work for you. Just add the cocoa straight in and mix it well until it's fully combined. If you are doing both, start with one half, add the cocoa, give it a good mix, then add a teaspoon of cinnamon to the other and stir again. Both versions smells amazing, one rich and chocolatey, the other warm and cozy. Let the dough rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes, just to firm it up. Preheat your oven to 355 degrees on Fahrenheit. Scoop a small portion of dough with spoon and roll it into a ball between your hands. Place each ball on a baking tray lined with parchment paper or baking mat, leaving a little space between them. Fill a glass with warm to hot water, just enough to dip the bottom of fork. Gently press each dough ball with the warm fork. We don't want water on the dough, just the heat to make shaping easier. This will give your cookies nice, flat tops and perfect little pancake shape. Place the cookies in the oven and bake for about 15 minutes, just until they are lightly set and smell amazing. When the baking time is up, take the cookies out of the oven and let them cool completely. Because these are buttery cookies, they are crispy all the way through and easy to break, yet still melt in your mouth. It's also the perfect moment to enjoy the sweet coconut aroma filling your kitchen. And we are done! Store your cookies in an airtight container. They are perfect with tea, coffee or just as a quick snack. Tip for you: if you don't have time to bake the same day, keep the dough in a container in the fridge. When you are ready, just let it soften a bit on the counter before shaping and baking. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, share it with your friends and follow Simply Food Recipes for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching. Second tip for you: the warmth of your hands can soften the dough, so work quickly. If it gets sticky, just pop it back in the fridge for a few minutes.